Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app features in simple, straightforward ways. Today, we're tackling a common issue: how to block someone on Viber in 2025. Whether you're dealing with annoying spam messages, unwanted calls, or just need to protect your privacy, blocking is your go-to solution. It's quick, easy, and ensures a smoother messaging experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Viber app updated to the 2025 version on your smartphone. This ensures you have access to the latest features and a seamless interface. Start by opening the Viber app on your device. You'll land on your main chat screen, where all your conversations are listed. Next, locate and tap on the chat of the person you want to block. This will open the conversation thread. Once inside, tap on the contact's name or profile icon at the top of the screen. This brings up their profile details. Now, scroll down or look for the options menu. Depending on your device, it might be a three-dot icon or a specific button. In the profile menu, you'll see an option that says Block or Block User. Go ahead and tap that. Viber will prompt you to confirm your action, as this is a permanent step until you decide to unblock them. Hit Confirm or Block to proceed. And just like that, the person is blocked. They won't be able to send you messages, make calls, or see your online status. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, you can unblock them by going to your Viber settings. Head to the Privacy section, find the Blocked Contacts list, and select the person to unblock. This feature is great for maintaining a positive digital space without burning bridges. There you have it. Blocking someone on Viber in 2025 is as simple as a few taps. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and connected.